Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Keeping your apps up to date on your iPhone, ensure you get the latest features, improvements and security fixes. Whether you're updating app manually or setting them to update automatically, the process is straightforward. Let's walk you through both methods in a detailed step-by-step guide. To update your apps manually, open the App Store. Next, you access your account. In the upper right corner of the App Store, tap your profile picture or the circular account icon. View available updates. Scroll down to the available update section. Here you will see a list of apps that have updates ready. You can always update it individually or you update all by tapping the Update All button at the top of the available update section. Wait for your update to be complete and that's it. To update automatically, head over to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap App Store. Next, you enable automatic update. In the automatic download section, joggle the switch next to the app update to green. This will ensure your app updates automatically whenever a new version is available. You can also enable the use of mobile data. If you want your apps to update even when you are not connected to Wi-Fi, joggle the switch next to automatic downloads under the cellular data to green. Be mindful of your data plan if you enable this option. For additional tips, ensure you have sufficient storage. Head over to Settings, then General and iPhone Storage to clear up your space. If an app doesn't update, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off, then slide to turn off. Press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. And that's it guys. Updating your apps is essential for optimal performance and security. By following these steps, you can easily manage your app updates, ensuring you always have the latest version with the newest features. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.